Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a turkey burger on my little Weber Q gas grill. So let's get queuing. I have a pound of ground turkey here. This was $5.99 a pound, I think. Ground beef and actually all the beef is getting pretty expensive lately, so just thought I'd been eating a little bit of this lately. With ground turkey with natural flavoring. I'm not sure what natural flavoring is. Probably MSG or something, I don't know. Doesn't really say. But anyway, this is a little lighter than ground beef, so I'm going to use about half of it here to make my patty. And I think this is like about 160 calories per quarter pound, so this would be 320 calories in this patty here. So just get this into a patty here. And I'm going to season this on both sides with some kosher salt and some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion. I've had this little grill for over 2 years now, so this will be my third season with it. So get it warmed up here, get it turned on, and it's got an igniter, so doesn't really take too much gas. I have a 20-pound propane tank for it, and probably maybe only go through maybe one during the summer, and I actually use it quite a bit, so it's a pretty economical grill to use. My grill's been preheating for about 10 minutes. It's about 375 degrees Fahrenheit, so it looks pretty hot. This grill has cast iron grates, but sometimes things will kind of stick to them a little bit, so I'm just going to wipe a little bit of oil on there just to kind of help prevent that from sticking. That turkey's kind of lean, so it tends to stick sometimes. All right, I'll just go ahead and get that on there. And I have, like I said, I have the grill on high, so its grill temperature is about 375 degrees Fahrenheit, so let it cook for a few minutes on that side. It's been about 7 or 8 minutes, so I'm going to check on this here. That's looking pretty good. I think I'm going to try to flip it over here. Hopefully it won't stick too much. Looks good. Now we'll just get the lid on and let it cook until the internal temperature is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. It's been about 5 or 6 minutes on that side, so let's see how we're doing here. Looking for 165 degrees Fahrenheit. $160, yeah, I think we're there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get that off of there. These things kind of dry out if you cook them too long. You can put this on a bun if you wanted to, but I decided to go the healthier route, and I baked that sweet potato in my toaster oven, steamed some asparagus, a little bit of avocado on the side there. So let's cut into this and see how it looks. Hopefully it won't be too dry. It looks a little bit dry, but that's kind of just how this is. Anyway, let's try a bite. It is a little bit dry. I left it on a little bit too long. I'm not gonna lie to you. A little bit dry, but the flavor's good. That Johnny's seasoning's good on it. I guess we'll let Annie try it. If she chokes, we'll know it was really dry. Well, she's licking it up. Of course, she eats about anything anyway. I like that little grill a lot. It works great for just cooking something fast like that. But like I said, that ground turkey, it dries out really quickly, so try not to get it much above 165 degrees Fahrenheit. It kind of got away from me a little bit. I was kind of setting up the camera and stuff, but it happens, no big deal. I like the way it was seasoned and everything. Anyway, hope you guys are having fun. Stay safe.